So I want to share with you guys this online course that I just went through. It's by a guy named Steve Young. He's an expert in pain relief therapy, but he's really well known in the industry. He's helped a lot of the professional athletes. And several weeks ago, maybe a month ago, I was looking for specific stretches to help with my sciatica pain in my lower back. And I came across this video with a lady explaining her situation where she was going to go for surgery, but she came across Steve and he actually helped her avoid surgery. So I decided to check it out. It may look like it's just one of those dime a dozen informational videos. That's what I thought at first, but when you really dig into it, he does a great job explaining what's really going on in your body with pain. And it is very easy to follow. So don't underestimate how it looks. The information there really does work. Now you may be wondering what's the difference with going to a regular physical therapist versus watching Steve's particular techniques. Well, I went to physical therapy and it did help a lot, but I just really wanted to know what are the key stretches to do multiple times a day that will really help with my back pain. And I found Steve's videos were really helpful in that, and it did significantly decrease my pain within, I'd say, a couple of weeks. Also knee pain. He does cover pain relief on like shoulders, knees. So it's not only just back pain. This is by no means a sponsored video, as the link below is not an affiliate link. So I just want to share my experience with it. So let's take a look on the inside. Okay, so we are in the inside of the program here by Steve Young. It's called the Pain Breakthrough, and as you can see over here, he does cover back, neck, shoulder, hip, knee, gut. I didn't pay for this upgrade. They have some bonus resources. So for the back one, let's just go into that one. Here these are all the modules. You can pretty much cover this if you went straight. You can cover it in a few hours. He explains the real cause of your back pain. He has a strategy called the targeted spinal relief, how to fix the pain instantly, the warrior method explained, life hacks for pain-free life, etc. So let's just go in here. Sometimes the audio does glitch in and out, but I mean, for the most part, it is pretty good, decent quality. Let me just find, I just want to jump to the part where he stretches. But I do recommend, if you are going to try out his techniques, to listen to all the modules. So that's just an example of what you find on the inside, and that he does demonstrate. If you are seeing a physical therapist regularly, you may want to consider looking into this program. I'll put the link in the description below. Again, this is not a sponsored video or an affiliate for that matter. I just wanted to let you know that this option is out there, and it did work for me to significantly reduce the pain. I would give it 2 to 3 weeks for it to start working, maybe even faster, depending where you are in your pain right now.